Okay, just doing a quick maintenance spot. Nice clean pit. Little oil in the pails. What we do have, this is a Koning twin post. That is, it's hard to see probably from here on the camera, but that's like a haul station board. Like, I don't know if that's, it's for the indicator here in the top and everything, right? I've had to replace one once before. Maybe we'll get a better look from the top. But I think it's a 2x4 box that it needs. Sorry, I hit a button and screwed that up, but I'm gonna go up and see the other ones. I'm sure it's a 2x4 box that they put those in. But we'll check it out so we can get one and fix it up. Of course, at a later date. So we're on the cart top. Hopefully you can see that down there. That's the one at the ground floor. You can see here, there's the ground floor cover. Probably the PCEMT that's set up to come out of here. Here's the, where are we? This is for the middle landing here. But this is just the board that's just hanging there. So it's kind of stuck on that board there, or that cover actually, which I wonder, yeah, it was just kind of stuck on there, two-sided tape. We'll have to check the machine room for that box. Pretty clean here, right? I do have, I threw up a short there if anyone had seen it. I didn't have too much of the ATF, but I did get the, it actually works pretty good. Out of the sprayer bottle here from Home Depot, like the one guy said in the comments. So I'm trying that out for the next little bit. But let me put this back on. Actually super clean up here. The sills are nice. That's about it, but we'll go check the machine room out and see if there's a box there. Why someone would take that off, I'm not sure, unless it got hit at some point in time maybe, right? But we'll see if we can't go see it. I didn't notice it earlier. Here's what we got for a machine room. Couple parts in there, some literature, controller. This is maybe the second one I've seen with this style of controller. Not too bad. Like I said, I did have to replace one of those like floorboards or whatever you want to call them before, and I had problems on a previous one as well with the pencil switches in the hoistway. But not a bad little unit. But I don't see, there's the box there, a 2x4. That is not going to be what I'm looking for. So we might have to pick that up somewhere and get them all set up. That's it for me. Oh, I had a hard time here on the previous one where the guys were doing some construction in the school. And they came in and decided to use this outlet for like a drill. That screwed some stuff up, but anyways, till the next one.